Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we're going to try something a little different today. We're going to look at some charts. What you've got here is a 5-day chart of the E-mini, and what you can see is that yesterday we came down and really we had some really strong selling. And I mean, yesterday morning off the open was about as bearish as I've seen sentiment in a very long time. You had people calling for 1300. You had, just the whole we're never going up again crowd was right there. And we came down to 1332, which was a key fib level. It was also my 45-day pivot yesterday was 1332.25. So basically, we talk about mean reversion a lot, and only a few days ago, back on Thursday, we were up at 1376, and that was 40 handles above the 45-day pivot. And we went, what did we do? We reverted all the way back to that mean. Now, we bounced yesterday nicely, about 18 handles. We were weak into the close, and we got weaker off of this sovereign debt, not downgrades, but putting a few countries on watch negative, and then Cisco is laying some people off, and so we've been bouncing around through the night. 1338 looks like it wants to try to be support, but you've got the daily pivot on the upside at 4408, then the 9-day pivot at 1346. So every rally right now is being sold. So I think you can be long, but you've really got to be long with a mind towards your exit. You can play these little scalps up, but you've really got to be thinking about where you're going to get out. Now on the daily chart, here's a daily chart of the ES. You see our 1419.75 top. Right now, we have gone ahead and technically made a higher high, 1376 versus 1375. We're down below this green line, which is a 20-day simple moving average, or essentially the middle Bollinger Band. We are stair-stepping higher. But because we've got a double top here, I think it's very, very important that this low be a higher low versus the low on July 12th down at 1319.75. So I'll be watching that. I think if we lose 1319.75, you get into a situation where we're going to go ahead and punch this lower Bollinger Band down at the 200, which is also coming in at 1319 this morning, the 200-day exponential moving average at 1319. So you have to be prepared for that. That said, the overnight lows so far are being rejected, and we'll have to see where the day takes us. There's really no swing trades to be had here because we're right in the middle of the band. So we're going to have to get back to extremes and then talk about potential longer-term trades. So let me give you support and resistance. Current trade 1343.75. On the upside, I've got daily pivot 1344.08, 9-day pivot 1346.42, then 1348, 1350 half, 1354 half. On the downside, 1342.69, 1341 quarter, 1341 area could be key. You got a retracement there. You've got the 20-day pivot, so that you can kind of see why things are being on the 5-minute chart. You can see why we're grinding around 1340 here. You've got a few different things going on. You've got some Fibonacci levels. You've got a 20-day pivot at 1341. Below that, 1338, 1334, 1332, 1327, and 1323. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.